You've probably heard of Evrloot, but if you didn't, I'm going to talk about it in today's video. I have covered Evrloot on multiple occasions, but this is the first time that I'm actually going to get into the game and show you how it actually looks. Now, Evrloot is a game using NFT technology from RMRK. So it uses RMRK 2.0 NFTs, which are the multi-resource NFTs. So that means NFTs within NFTs, because you could have a character with armor, with weapons, and so those are all each unique NFTs that are part of the larger NFT, the main NFT I should say, or the parent, which is the character in this case, right? So let's talk about that. We are on game.evrloot.com right now. I am going to post a link in the description of this video. Now, if you do have already a character, then you just basically connect your wallet like I did here on the top right hand corner of the screen. It has to be your polkadot.js wallet. It doesn't need to have many KSM, but it should have some just for the transaction fees, because there could be cases where you need to pay some transaction fees. Okay, so then you just hit enter here. And now it does load the soul. That's what the character is called. It is a soul. You can actually get one of these souls and then you get a random character, or you can buy one off the secondary market if you want a powerful character with special weapons, etc. Right? I have a very basic one just to be able to test out this game, which I got quite some time ago. So you simply click on it and then it opens it up for you. So here you could see the quest, the city of Traken. We are in it now, so just hit got it here and just hit got it again. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the city here. Okay, I just have to keep on doing this, or I just have to hit do not show tutorial because otherwise it just keeps on showing it. So here we've got the whole city. As you can see, there are multiple buildings here, but we can't access them all. They will likely unlock other ones outside of this as well, like the desert and so on. But you basically start the game with your character here on the left hand side, which basically gives you information on that character. If you click on it, it shows you how it looks. Okay, and it even tells you what I'm waiting on. So I've actually got one unseen mission, because I've actually done a mission yesterday. I had to wait for like 9 hours or so, and so that's over now, and I can actually go and see if I can claim something. And so this is what you need, where you need to start is the tavern. Okay, you click on the tavern and then it basically shows you what you can do. So I've done the water fetching mission to help one of the waiters there, or one of the employees in the tavern. And so I just hit on this, and that's pretty much it. You see, it gives you the resources. If you do decide to do that, just hit OK again. It actually opens up the singular page for me. So yeah, there we go. We've got the water here. So let's hit close here. And here you can speak to different people, and which is pretty cool. Okay, this is how it looks. Every time you enter a building, you've got access to different people. Again, it's not dynamic, right? It is static. It's just images, and you click on them, and then once you click on them, you basically see this image here where they basically tell you something. There's some backstory to it, and then you can choose different options. You could tell her to bring you something to eat, for example, or you just say I need to leave, and you just leave. You could hit this guy here, and you can speak to him. What a beautiful day today. Hello, fellow traveler. Goodbye, Dan, if you don't want to chat. Now you've got the backpack here. So if you look at the backpack, you can see the equipables, the resources, the fish, and if you have any. Okay, you can close this. You've also got your items up at the top here. I've got the bucket of water as well, as you can see there. You can click on the soul info, and it gives you information on your soul. So I've got the leather coat, which is a common one. The absolute basic here, as you can see, armor 5, fortitude +1, and so this is how you get all the details here. 100 HP. Now I used to have a more powerful character, but I actually sold that because it was worth quite a lot of KSM, more than I invested personally when I minted it, and so that's the reason I sold it, because it had some epic items and I thought that was valuable. So why not? Because I don't really have the time to play the game, but I wanted to test it out, so hence why I kept one character. But I mean, if you're into it, if you're planning to play this to earn NFTs and hopefully some valuable NFTs, then it's definitely one worth trying, of course. And yeah, this is how it is pretty much. You just hit leave here and it'll take you back to the town, and then of course you can hit something else here. You can choose the market, for example. I haven't unlocked the mission yet, so I'm not able to, but of course if I go back to the tavern and I follow some of the people there and some of the chat, then I can actually get to the next mission. So that's the whole point of this. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. It is pretty straightforward, pretty simple if you think about it from that end. But it's interesting because it does use NFT technology, and I could see this actually eventually advance. I don't know if they're planning to make this dynamic eventually, but for now it is kind of static, right? And I know you get a lot of mobile games that are like this, so I could see this on the mobile as well eventually, but for now it is on the desktop. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think of Evrloot? Do you like it? Considering it is the first game, I believe, I don't think there's anything else using RMRK technology. It is pretty interesting, so we'll have to see how more of these games are going to be like on RMRK. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.